3, go! As we forgive those sins against us, do not bring us to death, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Yesterday, we have discussed about adjectives, right? Yes. Today, before we proceed to our discussion, let's look first a short recap. What is an adjective? Adjective describing. Very good. How about this? Adjective serves as a modifier or the intermediate of noun. Yes, adjective is a word of speech that describes a noun or a noun. Here, these are examples of adjectives. Can you read it? Rap.
Slim, rich, elegant, powerful, classic, glamorous.
Yes, these are examples of adjectives. If I include chubby, real, square, lazy, tan, Italian, old, young, American, white, wooden, red in a sentence, it should follow an order of adjectives. And today, I'm going to discuss to you the order of adjectives. The order of adjectives includes determiners, observation, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and qualifier. Determiners influence the articles and other limiters like those, this, that. Observation includes your opinion on that particular noun. Example, beautiful. Another, can you give another example? Fat. Wonderful. Next is the size. It is the size of a noun. Example, small, small, big, huge, enormous, like that. Next is a shape. Whether that particular noun is round, oblong, shape. Next is age. It describes how old, how young, how new the particular noun is. Next is the color. I know that you are familiar with what color is. So let's now proceed to the origin. Origin means where that particular noun come from. Example, is made up from
China.
Japanese, China, like that. Next is the material. It pertains to what particular noun is made of. Example, wooden, silk, gold, like that. Next is the qualifier. It is a part of a noun. I have here picture and
Naka-reserved card.
Also describe picture number 1. Ready? Our noun is a beautiful red Italian car. Very good. A beautiful red Italian car. All for the age, Italian for the origin, and touring car. A beautiful Italian car. Number 2 wants to describe picture number 2.
Ikaw na lang.
An expensive antique silver mirror. Next is, who wants to guess? Venus roses.
Ikaw ito.
Beautiful red bunch of roses.
Okay. Might be. Our sentence is, 4 juice long-stem red syrup roses. Shannon wants to guess what's this? Wants to describe picture number 4. Yes.
Ay, sorry. Kala.
So, my sentence for that is, her short black hair is simple. Rafael? Our big old English sheepdog. Next is taxes. Once we describe this, British three wooden gold round box. These square wooden hat boxes.
Talino.